The Chetty Jagan and Eugene F. Correa International Airports were reopened on October 12, 2020, after being closed for 7 months following the COVID-19 outbreak in March of the same year. Health Minister Dr. Frank Anthony on Tuesday indicated that since its reopening, 76 incoming passengers have tested positive on arrival for COVID-19.
We probably had over the last couple of days, maybe less than 5, I would say. So this number has not changed radically because we have been monitoring, but we're not getting a lot of cases because if people abide by the requirements, then if they test positive, they can travel.
Arriving passengers are required to present a polymerase chain reaction (PCR) or antigen test conducted in their countries of origin and proof of vaccination to local port health officers. If the COVID-19 test report indicates that a test was done more than 72 hours prior to their arrival, passengers are required to conduct a second test at the airports.
If, however, your test was done for more than 3 days, but not exceeding 5 days, then you will have to do a second test upon arrival in Guyana.
Despite the Omicron and Delta wave, which the country continues to battle, health authorities have not implemented any prohibition on who can enter Guyana. They are yet to confirm whether Omicron is behind a massive upsurge in COVID-19 cases, hospitalizations, and deaths in the country presently. Dr. Anthony told Nightly News on Monday that 50 samples have been collected and are expected to be shipped to Trinidad and Tobago for testing this week.
We have selected those samples. I have to get an update from the National Public Health Reference Lab because I know up to last week that they had made the arrangements for those samples to go to CARFA. So I'll have to just check and update. But we have selected all the samples and they should, if they have not gone yet, they should be going.
Meanwhile, the minister also reported that hospitals are being filled with persons who are unvaccinated.
And we have seen from the data from the CDC that the unvaccinated people are now getting sick. They are getting the severe forms of COVID, and many of them are ending up in the hospital.
Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.